Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about ICP price action, and we'll see what exactly is going on. So let's get into this. So welcome back, everyone. We are staring at the ICP chart on the daily. Currently, the markets are stable. We did see ICP roll down to about $14 a coin. So with that said, we are seeing prices kind of take that deep dive, and we have lost this little support trend line that I was hoping we would really bounce off and break this falling wedge pattern that we're currently in. So with that said, the good thing about ICP is that we are still very much so in this falling wedge, and this is very important, because the second we break below this falling wedge, this could really straighten this out into more of a channel, and that would be very bad. With that said, we can see that May 14th, May 14th is looming. So it wouldn't surprise me to see price action maybe come on down to this $12.50 level before quite possibly pulling some sort of a reversal. And we just don't know the significance of this May 14th Fibonacci time sequence until we get there. So the old saying is sell in May and go away. So it's not that surprising to see the market suffering here in May. So with that said, let's just throw up a little Fibonacci retracement and just see where this thing could possibly land. Now, I do think that there is a chance we see ICP come down to right around this $13.60 level. And if things get really bad, maybe $10.91. As long as we don't break this lower trend line, I think we're still sitting good. And I do think that ICP has every bit of potential to really break through and out of this falling wedge once the market recovers a little bit, because it's been in this falling wedge for so long right now. Currently, we are looking at price action quite far from the Ichimoku cloud. When we start to see this, we can usually assume that we might be getting ready to see some sort of bounce happen. So I am hoping that this is what happens over the next couple days. Now let's look at what Bitcoin is doing. And Bitcoin's really just been shaking the trees, man. We can see these spinning tops with these long wicks to either side. And this is very much so increased volatility. So we are seeing a spinning top for Bitcoin on the daily chart right now. And this is indeed, like I pointed this out in my last video, this is creating this symmetrical triangle. And I do think that price action is going to squeeze probably in this $38,000 to $39,000 level over the next couple days going into the weekend. And I do think that the next major price movements might possibly happen after the weekly close this Sunday. So if we see Bitcoin come on down to this 37,000-ish level, we'll have a very dang nice corrective wave. I'm not sweating just yet. I'm into crypto for the long term. But Bitcoin is setting up pretty nicely as it is to maybe return and get that inverse head and shoulders bounce, quite possibly back up to the $48,000 level. I so want this little ascending triangle to form to shoot prices back up to around the $65,000-ish level. I think that's going to be so important for market mentality, stuff like that. My biggest concern with Bitcoin right now is that if it falls below 37,000, how far is it going to fall? Are we going to break these previous lows, or are we going to continue making higher lows and really filling this ascending triangle out nicely? So only time will tell. Right now, let's throw up a little time sequence to see if we can uncover anything with this. So with Bitcoin, folks, look for May 21st. May 21st with Bitcoin could indicate that there is some volatility or reversal or something that's about to happen. May 21st. Now we can see that previous time sequence have told us that this was the start of a reversal. This was increased volatility. This was a reversal here. So this with 100 is 100% accurate as of right now, May 21st. There is something that's going to happen with Bitcoin. There's going to be some increased volatility, I predict, or a reversal. So really, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed all this technical analysis that I provided for you guys. If you would do so, please smash that like button. I truly appreciate it more than you guys know, and it helps the channel grow. So with that said, here's some videos on Dfinity's ecosystem at the end screen. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day wherever you're at in the world.